It is said that those who are born cicadas die singing. So hand down that crystalline bowl of sky. Let us rattle our hearts in its hollow shell. In the morning, all we'll remember is how we traced our fingers along its edge and set its lip singing. See how the red cheek of the cashew, the purple banana blossom, even the smallest knuckle of fruit in the canopy hook onto that shivering stroke. So hand down the wheels of heaven. Let us clink like pebbles from spoke to spoke. Let us go on and on. Let us rise with the stink of the porcupines. Let us rise from under fallen leaves, ringing.